Hey guys, it's Carrie from Byrider Madison. It's that time of year again. We're getting toward the holidays, Christmas and New Year's. And, obviously here at Byrider, we want to help you out, want to help get you rolling and get you into your own set of wheels, a present for you, and something that's going to help invest in yourself for New Year's. So get in that vehicle that you desperately need. I don't want to see anyone sitting out in the cold waiting for Ubers or the bus or anything like that, waiting for your ride. So definitely come in, get a vehicle through us, especially if credit's an issue. Get that present for yourself and something that's going to help build your credit as well in the new year. Maybe you're looking in the future for future purposes. Any of those big decisions in life require credit. If you're looking to buy a house, things like that. So definitely come on down to Byrider in Madison. We're always here to help folks with credit issues, get them financed, and drive on. Again, Carrie from Byrider. Have a good one. Happy holidays.